Dollar index has taken a sharp plunge last week. Most importantly, it is yet respected the bottom of the channel here. Can we expect the DXY to bounce back from here? Or is it going to give a breakout here, breaking below 103.5? It is looking forward to a sharper plunge. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the dollar index and the associated currencies and commodities? We are going with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my daily updates, in fact, twice a day updates of major global markets and commodities. Just subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Do like, share, and comment. It is a great motivation. Do watch till the end, where I am going to share you the trading levels and strategy. And yes, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into 4-hour chart. Now see, on the 4-hour charts, one important observation here is look at the point 103.5. This was the point from where we have seen this rise. Now it has erased all the gains here. It has formed a nice flag, but it is very important for the dollar index to drop below 103.5. As long as 103.5 is not taken, 103.4 is not taken, I will not suggest that the DXY or the dollar index has turned bearish. Though it is trading bearish, but it has to break below 103.5, 103.4, and that will confirm the reversal. What is happening here? See, it is trading bearish on the 4-hour charts. Two lows are done, and now the highs are at around 104.8, 105.2 levels. If it breaks beyond 105, 105.2, and then 105.5, we can say that it is going to break the preceding highs at 106 as well. But right now it is trading bearish. Prices are divergent here. It is converged towards the 20 period. However, I still see that there is a scope for it to rise a bit. Stochastic is oversold. MACD has also hit a bottom. Possibility of a rise and recovery exists here. RSI is also coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts here. Rise, retracement. And I can still see that it is delivering here higher lows and higher highs. So it has come to a crucial junction now. And this also makes now 103.8, 103.5, zone very strong support zone. If the DXY breaks this, you can say now the bears will be interested in a further drop, and thus this zone is going to remain a critical support zone for the dollar in the coming week. I do not see the possibility of a bounce back still exists strong, but can it break beyond 106? That is another question, because see, 106 has formed a wall here, and hitting the wall it is reversed. So the whenever you see it reversing from a wall, the chances for it to break the support exists strong. Moving averages have started to converge. Remember, the moving averages have not yet crossed over. There is no bearish crossover. This is still in green. It has converged here. Now a conversion means the narrowing here, it can reverse, and the reversal is going to be strong, and the prices might again turn bullish. Stochastic has also hit an oversold levels, and the dollar in the recent past, this was in last couple of months back, it has hit oversold levels and a strong recovery. And here also last year, you can see hitting oversold levels, we have always seen a good recovery in the dollar, and thus this could be also one of the positions from where it is trying to recover, and thus a little rise in the coming week can be expected. Now on the MACD also similar observation is seen. It has hit a bottom, and a recovery from here can be expected. Look at this, double bottom is seen here. First rise, then a retracement, then higher highs and a retracement, and it is delivering higher lows as well. So a possible recovery from here can lead to higher highs, and thus I will still say that the dollar is not completely yet turned bearish. Possibility of a bounce back exists strong. RSI has dropped to bottom. Coming to weekly, on the weekly charts, higher lows, higher highs. It is seen taking support from the 20-50 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. This was the last time when it has seen the support, and it has shown a good rise, and this is the second time we are seeing the same. And also one must notice the rise started from here, it has come to the same zone. So it is very important for the DXY to break below 103.5, 103.4, else it is still not bearish. Look at the formation, nice classical formation here, couple of bounce backs, couple of rises here, and staying in this bullish channel. Thus it can bounce back, it can recover strong. Now See, consistently the DXY is delivering higher lows after staying bearish here on the weekly charts. You have seen it achieving the highs. Then retracement. Now see, this is higher lows. So now it is, this is the main trend, this is the retracement, and this is again taken the bullish trend. So in the near future we can again expect the dollar to stay bullish as long as first 103.5, then 102 levels are not taken. We can say bounce back is going to be equally strong. Stochastic dropping sharp here on the weekly charts. Look at MACD, and this is what I've been showing on MACD. Triple bottom here, first bullish move here. For weeks we have seen this rise, then the retracement, and now it has taken a crossover. So it has started to converge. Remember, it is not yet crossed over, and it can continue to rise here for a while. Why? Look at the movement here, bottom. Look at the rise and rally. This is also the main trend, and the retracement is seen. And now this is again, it has taken the trend which is bullish, so it can continue to rise from here. RSI has dropped, which is a slight bearish sign, and this is one possibility which I will be looking at, that it should not hit the bottom before rising. Coming to monthly, now look at the monthly charts here. I have shared earlier as well. See the drop, and it has taken the support from the 20 period rise again, forming slightly lower lows, but I do see it as a double bottom levels, and since then we have seen it delivering 4 bullish candles. My only worry point here is it has not breached these highs. This time the rise has not breached these highs. That is the first worry point. Second point, it is repeating the pattern here. 3 bullish candles, couple of bearish candles, 4 bullish candles, and couple of bearish candles, which can again take it to the lows, and thus it may continue to trade in this slightly sideways movement here. This is the only worry point, because see, the next month if it trades bullish, it is going to trade to the, or it can move to higher lows and then bounce back in the next month. So yes, right now it is trading bearish. The second observation here is the opening was flat for the month, and right now just eliminate this tail, and you will find that the lows are beautifully connected here. So it is very, very important for the dollar index to trade below 103.5 in this week, in the coming week, and in the beginning of the next month. If 103.5 is taken, we can see that there is a possibility, strong possibility for the dollar to move towards 103 and 102 levels, which are going to remain a great sign. And that will be the second bearish candle here, achieving higher lows. Again, we may see it bouncing back in the subsequent month. So right now I do see that there are good great support are seen here, and thus it may try to close the month somewhere in between 104 and 105. For next 10 days we can see it trading either sideways or with modest bullish bias. That is what is the expectation here. Stochastic rising. Look at MACD. Now this is important here. MACD, why we are seeing that there is a possibility of a couple of bearish candles on the monthly charts. Look at the movement. It is seeing sharp rise. Now it is trading bearish here, and I have mentioned earlier, see first, second, and thus for next few months it can try to trade sideways or with the modest bearish bias, and or few months means 2 to 3 months, take it to the bottom before rising. This is one possibility we should not ignore, that either it is going to trade sideways before bouncing back. Now see, it has seen a stronger rise, so a possibility for it to cross over and lead to a double top before falling. This is what is also one stronger probable move. RSI dropping here. So now on the weekly charts, combining the charts, it appears that for the month the lows are done, and we have to wait for the next month beginning to take a direction. The support levels we have seen. But before I give you now the summary and the trading levels so that you can all trade profitably, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Register yourself now, reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Else you can be part of my signals channel, where we trade diverse instruments including indices and commodities, and you can trade profitably as per the signals. Write an email or ping me on Telegram again for any of your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, with global presence, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker also in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads, and thus you can save much of your capital. Now, let's talk about the levels. I will recommend you to in fact buy at 104.18 levels, where we can expect it to move towards 104.45 104.68, 104.95 levels. Now till here it's fine. It is still under retracement. Once it breaks beyond 105 is where slight bullishness can be expected. Though for the coming week, I do not possibility is there that it can try to remain range bound between 104 and 105. That is my expectation. But a little bullish move might take it towards 105.4 levels. Very, very good resistance here. Beyond 105.4 is where the bulls will be interested towards 105.65 levels and 105.88 levels. I do not see this happening soon, but these are markets beyond 106 is where the bulls will be completely taking over. 106 is not anyways it is going to go in the coming week. Even if it tries to bounce back, 105, 105.5 is the best levels it may try to achieve. Beyond 105.5 is where bulls will try to take over. On the downside, where you should sell, you can sell here at 103.9 levels, but then 103.75, 103.5 and 103.35. As long as these levels are not taken on the coming week, any point of time, as long as these levels are respected, the chances of a recovery and a bounce back will be strong. Once these levels are taken, you can say now the bears will be taking over, and I will be looking forward to a sharper plunge towards 102.4 levels, 102.5 levels very, very soon here. You can say 102.4, 102.6 zone, very strong support zone, and if it breaks below this, then 102. Now this is applicable for next few weeks as well. 102 levels anyways are not going to happen in the coming week. That is my expectation. Possibly we may see a sideways movement or a swing movement. That is what we can expect. Neither bullish nor bearish momentum is what we can look forward to. Take your positions accordingly. But yes, if it breaks below 103.5, 103.35, certainly the bears will be interested in a further drop. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe. Do all the daily updates. Do join the free Telegram channel and join the channel memberships here on YouTube. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week and a profitable trading week ahead and a profitable trading rest of the month. Happy weekend. Enjoy your day.